Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss about how to invest in shares, basically how to build wealth on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So this will be your guide that will be able to navigate you through the Kenya's capital's market from your first shilling to a growing portfolio, right? So we're going to look at some reality checks. The myth, number one, you need millions of shillings to start trading on the Nairobi Security Exchange. So that is a myth. So the truth of it is that you can start with as little as Kenya shilling 500, as no large capital is required. Number two, then we have the opportunity. The opportunity is that the Nairobi Securities Exchange is a Kenya shilling 3.4 trillion market. Is a Kenya shilling 3.4 trillion market. Therefore, it is open to every Kenyan to trade. All right. So for you to start trading on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, you'll be able to choose your path. So we have the traditional versus the mobile. So the traditional route, this is where it involves opening a CDS account through a licensed broker for personal custody, full control, and long-term security of the investment. So before you open before you start trading, so the traditional method is where you're able to choose a licensed broker from the CMA. Yeah. So this licensed broker has full control and has personal custody of your investment. Then we have the mobile route. The mobile route is where you'll be able to use the ZD Trader via M-Pesa for instant mobile fast access. There's no CDS account needed for this route. So the strategic choice, traditional for long-term control, mobile for speed and convenience. So this is the CDS account. The CDS account is basically your electronic vault. It is the legal electronic record of your share ownership, replacing risky paper certificates. Yeah, replacing risky. So it eliminates paper-based risk. It's required for dividends and bonus issues. It enables shares as loan collateral. It enables shares as loan collateral. So we're going to get started. So what are the essentials for you to open a CTS account? So before you can invest, you need to gather some required items so that it gets you ready to speed up your account opening process significantly. So the first document is your national ID card. So you need to have a copy of the front and back copies that is well visible. Then we need a KRA PIN certificate. KRA PIN certificate is an official document from the KRA. Then you need a passport photo. Passport photo is a recent professional passport that is also visible. Then you need a licensed broker. So before you choose a broker, you need to make sure that the broker has been licensed by the Capital Markets Authority, yeah, or investment. So the step-by-step, the broker route, you need to select the broker, you submit the CDS requirements. Then you get the CDS number. Then the final step, you're able to deposit and trade. So most CDS accounts are activated within 24 to 48 hours. Once active, you're ready to trade on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Then you're going to look at a glance of the mobile revolution M-Pesa CD Trader. The CD Trader brings the Nairobi Securities Exchange to your fingertips. So there's no CDS account, there's no broker to control, to have full control of investment. There's no paperwork. Yeah. So here, no CDS required. You trade instantly through the M-Pesa app. Then we have the trading hours. So basically, the trading hours are from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. So on Saturday and Sunday, you cannot be able to trade. Yeah. So only the weekdays. The time is 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. You also need to know about the market intelligence. Yeah, so before you trade, you need to know what you're buying. We have the blue chip stocks. These are established giants, the likes of Safaricom, Equity Bank, KCB, with proven track records and regular dividends. Yeah. So if you want to buy stocks from companies that pays dividends, so you need to analyze, you do some research of companies that pays dividends. Then we have the growth phase stocks. These are mid-sized firms with expansion potential, high risk but great upside for patient investors. Then we have the capital markets regulation. Every trade is governed by the Capital Markets Authority, ensuring fairness, transparency, and investor protection. So you need to avoid some beginner mistakes. So the first thing, you need to verify your broker. You always have to confirm your broker's license with the CMA before depositing any funds. The second mistake that you need, you have to do, is that you need to guard your CDS number. So the CDS account number that you're able to get after opening the CDS account is confidential, so you have to treat it like a bank account. Then you have to reinvest dividends. So you need to monitor your portfolio and reinvest dividends to harness the power of compound growth. So your first step today, so you have the tools, the access, and the knowledge. The Nairobi Securities Exchange does not wait, and neither should you. So you need to start small. Begin with Kenya shilling 500 and grow steadily. Research deeply, know your stocks before you buy. Build wealth, turn spare change into long-term growth. Yeah, so thank you. So subscribe and keep watching for more content about shares and stock market.